In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide Steam activity. If you want a little more privacy on your profile, whether that's hiding what you're currently playing, your playtime, or your game library, this quick adjustment will do exactly that and keep your activity out of friends' feeds and public view. With Steam open, look to the top right corner of the window and click your profile. This is the small avatar circle that opens your personal menu. From there, choose View Profile. This takes you to your public-facing page, the same one other people see when they visit your profile. Next, select Edit Profile. You'll find this button on your profile page. It opens all the customization options for your account. Inside this area, look for Privacy Settings. This is where Steam groups all the visibility controls that affect how much of your profile others can see. In Privacy Settings, find the section labeled Game Details. This single control governs several pieces of information: your owned games, your achievements, your playtime, what you're currently playing, and even parts of your wish list and recent activity tied to games. Change game details to private. Once you set it to private, your library and gameplay activity are hidden from everyone. Friends in the public will no longer see your now playing status, your hours logged, or lists of what you own or recently played. It's a single switch that comprehensively shuts off visibility for your game-related activity. Give it a moment to apply. These privacy changes work across the desktop app, the web version, and the mobile app automatically, so you don't have to repeat the process elsewhere. If someone checks your profile after this change, they won't be able to view your games or ongoing activity, and your feed won't broadcast new sessions. A couple of notes to help you feel confident about the change. Making game details private does not affect your ability to play online, join friends, or receive messages. It only affects what others can see. You can come back to this same privacy settings page anytime and switch it back if you decide to share your activity again. Also, setting game details to private only hides game-related information. Other areas like your avatar, profile summary, or friends list follow their own visibility settings, which you control separately. That's all there is to it. By setting game details to private, you've effectively hidden your Steam activity with just a few clicks, keeping your gaming time truly your own.